Good morning, Primary 2. So it's week 5 of our Friday dictation, and this week the focus is CVC words where the middle vowel is U, making that sound. Now, as usual, I am going to dictate 4 simple sentences to you, and they're going to have all the words that you were learning this week in them. Listen very carefully. Don't write anything until I've called out each sentence twice. And remember to use a capital letter at the start of each sentence, a full stop at the end of each sentence, and your finger spaces in between. Okay? Ready, steady, go. It is his mug. It is his mug. Tug the rug. Tug the rug. A bug in a jug. A bug in a jug. It was fun. It was fun.